This is the health careers wing that we have, and all of the classrooms here actually used to be a cafeteria and it was renovated. This classroom is a simulated work environment. They have different types of equipment, industry level. Kids can practice like their CPR, earn various types of certifications. Right now we offer 4 different CTE programs: education, digital arts, media, and CTE health careers. When we enter into the new building, we're going to add on to the CTE programs that we offer and introduce an electrical program for students.
Here we have the teaching wall. Power, data, and AV is set up for the teacher's desk. There will be workstation booths all along the walls. They can tap out of the booth to do different electrical builds.
So we collaborated with IBEW, the local apprenticeship program for electricians, and they gave us a tour of their facility so we could mimic that at the high school level.
Not too many high schools have done that, so I thought it was a really great idea for them to come in and take a look around. This is basically where it all starts. It's where we give the very first, as real as possible, job experience in a classroom setting. They're each assigned to one of these booths that you see against the walls here. They're learning how to wire electrical circuits, commercial circuits, residential circuits. They're bending electrical conduit.
Our goal was to determine a new CTE program that would give kids more hands-on experience and that would actually meet the requirements of high demand and high wage.
I think it's a great idea for high schools to expand CTE into the electrical field specifically. We are a trade that's going to need workers. We're a trade that's going to need students that come in that have already had a little bit of experience.
If my high school would have had this, I definitely would have been signing up for this class. To me, this is one of the highlights of this school for sure.